Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n minus 3 and its whole power 4 equals to n to the power of 4, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So here we find all the roots of this equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we rewrite this equation as, here you have n minus 3 and its whole power 4, and we move this n to the power of 4 in the left hand side, and you write minus times of n to the power of 4, and this whole equation equals to 0. And in the next step we will again rewrite this equation as, so here you have n minus 3 to the power of 4, and we will write it as n minus 3 whole square and its whole squared, minus we write this n to the power of 4 as n squared and its whole squared, and this is equals to 0. So in the next step we will use here the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a squared minus b squared, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So now we use here this nice formula in the above term, and we will get its output in the form of n minus 3 whole square, because here you see that we have the value of a is n minus 3 and its whole square, and the value of b is n squared. So we put the values of a and b in this nice formula, and you will get its output in this form n minus 3 whole squared minus n squared into n minus 3 whole squared plus n squared, and this whole equals to 0. So now in the next step we will make little bit simplifications here, and we can get the factors of this equation. So now first we open n minus 3 whole square, and you know about a minus b whole square, it is equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times of ab. So here we need to use this nice formula on this term and this term as well, so that we can use here this nice formula on the above both of the terms, and you will get its output in the form of n squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times of n into 3, and we have minus n squared. And similarly we will open the square of this identity, and you get here n squared plus 3 squared minus 6 times of n plus n squared, and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step we will make little bit simplifications here, and we write these factors as, you have n squared plus 3 squared equals to 9, and 3 times of 2 equals to minus 6, and here you have minus 6 times of n, and we have minus n squared. Similarly here you have n squared plus n squared equals to 2 times of n squared plus 3 squared equals to 9, and minus 6 times of n, and this whole equals to 0. So here you see that this n square and n square are gone, and we will get here 9 minus 6 times of n into 2 times of n squared minus 6 times of n plus 9 equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is, we write 9 minus 6n equals to 0, And the other case is we write 2 times of n squared minus 6n plus 9 equals to 0. So we have these two cases and we solve these two cases and we get the values of n. So now first we move towards the case number 1. So in case number 1 we move this minus 6n in the right hand side and you obtain 6n equals to 9. And now we move the 6 on the right hand side and you will get here n equals to 9 over 6, and we will again simplify the terms and you will get the first real root of this equation is n equals to, here you have 3 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6, so you get the first real root which is n equals to 3 over 2. So this is our first real root, and now in order to find the other roots we will solve this nice quadratic equation, so that here we use the quadratic formula and we have a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 9. So here we have these three values of a, b and c, and we will use here the nice cubic or the nice quadratic formula. So you know that the quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: n equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times of ac over 2 times of a. So now we put all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and we will get its output in this form, so that we have n equals to minus b and we have the value of b is minus 6. So this minus times of minus will becomes plus 6 and plus minus square root of b square, and b is minus 6, so minus 6 square is 36, minus 4 times of a is 2 and c is 9, and this whole over 2 times of a, and a is 2. And now we can simplify the terms and we move towards the final answer. So we have n equals to 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus here you have 9 4s are 36 and 36 2s are 72, and whole over 2 times of 2 equals to 4. So that here you have 6 plus minus 36 minus 72 equals to minus 36 square root over 2. So here you know that the square root of 36 equals to 6, and we know that the square root of minus 1 equals to iota over 2. So now we break these two terms and we get here 6 over 4, sorry this is the value 4, 6 over 4 and plus minus 6 over 4 of iota. So when you cancelled these two terms, then finally you get here n equals to 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.